for today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys some trends that I'm really loving right now and how you can kind of get the look for less. Think of this kind of like a how to look expensive on a budget style video. Everything that I show is from Boohoo. They have some super great stuff at a really great price point. So if you haven't already checked them out, I would highly suggest doing so. So a huge thank you to them for partnering with me on this video and sending me these items to share with you guys. I will have absolutely everything that I shared in this video linked in the description box down below. Or if you're in the market for some back to school clothes or anything like that, everything they have is like really affordable and it's super on trend, so definitely check them out. So the first trend that I don't even know if I would consider it a trend because denim is always in, and I absolutely love just having different denim style pieces. So this first piece that I found was super like flattering of a fit, and it's not like any other like denim dress that I've really seen before. This is a denim like shift dress, but it has a little bit of a higher neck, which to me just makes it so unique. And guys, this thing is like such good quality. It is like insane when you see how much this thing actually is. You can style this so many different ways. You can pair pieces over it, on top of it. The next denim thing that is super trendy that you guys have seen everywhere are these cropped denim jackets. Every single person has them. And this next jacket that I'm going to show you isn't exactly denim, but I feel like it falls into that trend because it's the same style of jacket. And this is actually just a corduroy cropped like cut off jacket. Now what's interesting about this is obviously it's like the denim jackets where it's cut off, but corduroy is going to be super in this upcoming fall season, and this will even look good right now, even though it's still a little bit on the warmer side. This is such good quality and I like cannot wait to style this. So if you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, make sure you are, because pretty sure this is going to be in one of my upcoming Instagram pictures. Like, I'm going to take a picture in this today because I've been like dying to wear this, but it's been in the haul pile. The next thing you may have already seen if you already are following me on Instagram, but that is just graphic tees. Now a little disclaimer, if these look like wrinkled and worn, they already have been. I have been living in all of these. The first one, I like don't know where it is. I don't know if it's in the laundry pile or what, but it is just this like oversized Venice shirt. Absolutely love this, the fit of it, everything. You can even pair it with biker shorts, as you guys can see that I'm wearing here. The biker shorts are also from Boohoo, and I think they were like $5, which is insane. So again, loving graphic tees. They're everywhere. They even have different band tees. Oh, which reminds me, I also have a band tee from there, a Metallica one, and that one is also in the wash. So I'll show you guys the other few ones here. This first one just says Bonjour on it, 1995, a little nice red, white, and blue shirt. And then this is the one that I styled on my Instagram. I think I've been wearing this one like the most. And it's just like a black and white graphic tee, it says Paris on it. Absolutely love this. It goes with anything. And then the next one that I have here to show you is just this luxe one, and it says New York on it. I love that the graphic is like metallic, and this has already been washed and nothing happened to it, so it's really good quality, and I'm super excited to just wear these every single day like I already have been doing. Next trend that I've kind of been seeing everywhere is polka dots. I absolutely love polka dots. I'm like obsessed with them. Anytime I see an article of clothing that's polka dots, I'm automatically drawn to it. So they have a good selection of polka dot items, but these are just two of them that are my favorites. This first one is just a crop top. It has the ruffled sleeves, has a little tie in the front, and it's just super flattering. It zips in the back, so again, super flattering, very easy to put on, and I just love the little tie in the front. And then this next shirt, which I'm pretty sure is already sold out, but they do have other options, so I will link some like similar ones down below. But it's just this tie front lemon shirt, has lemons and polka dots, yellow and like white and black polka dots together. I think this looks so good. Again, it's like a really nice like woven material, super nice, super flattering. So this is again another one of my favorites. The next trend, which isn't really anything new, but linen is like amazing. You guys have seen it probably everywhere. However, it does get a little pricey, so it's really nice that Boohoo has like some affordable options. First, a linen style jacket is just this striped blazer. Love the fit on this. This can be paired like so many different ways. Again, super nice quality, and this could probably even be styled into the fall season, which is why I picked that up. And then this next one, like you can't go wrong with black. linen. So this is just a black linen, very lightweight blazer. Good for right now in the like warmer months, and again could be layered in the fall as well. The last trend that obviously I like a lot is cropped sweaters. I just think they're so fun. I've been so into high-waisted pants lately. I don't think I even currently own any low-rise jeans. Everything is high-waisted and I always like pairing it with cropped stuff. So I'm going to share with you guys some really awesome like cropped sweaters that they have. This first one is a little off-the-shoulder number. I used to be obsessed with off-the-shoulder tops. If you guys have watched my channel for a while now, I used to be wearing like an off-the-shoulder shirt or top in every single video. It was like my thing. So when I saw this, I was like, wait, I need to pick that up. I currently don't own anything off the shoulder. But again, really, really nice material. Has a nice stretch to it. Love the fit on that. And then this next one isn't necessarily cropped, but if you wanted to, you could just cut the bottom off and make it cropped. But it's just a fun, like oversized slouch hoodie. Love, love, love this striped on detail that it has. And this was like so soft. So this is going to also be great to wear. This next crop sweater, I've never seen really anything like this. I'm sure it exists, but I personally haven't seen it. And the front just kind of like ties and cinches. So again, this is super flattering with a high-waisted pair of jeans or a skirt. Love it. Again, super soft material. This next one is just a cropped crochet knit off the shoulder kind of number. I guess if you wanted to pull it off the shoulder, you could, but it's really cool and cropped. This would be great to just pair with a nice bralette under it, or you could also use this as a swimsuit cover-up. And then this last crop sweater is very varsity style, great for back to school or even just like something really trendy. You could even wear this like for a like schoolgirl Halloween costume. I think it would be great, but I love it paired with the jeans that I have on in the try-on. Super nice. Again, gonna be super warm for the fall months. So those were all of the trends that I'm loving and some pieces you can pick up from Boohoo if you're in the market for some new clothing. I will have everything linked down below for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel with post notifications turned on. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!